This video introduces the wiring method of the main functions module of ARD3M. First, the ABC phases of the main circuit pass through the three-phase current transformers respectively. The secondary wires from the transformers are connected to the current input port on the side of the device. Pay attention to the wire sequence. Yellow, blue, red, and black correspond to 43, 44, 45, 42. Next is the wiring on the main body. Terminal 1 and 2 of the device are auxiliary power supplies, which are generally taken from any phase of the main circuit. Terminal 3, 4, 5, and 6 are voltage signal inputs, corresponding to N, UA, UB, and UC respectively. Next is the relay output part. Generally connect DO4 to the contactor control circuit. When there is a fault, DO4 is disconnected to open the contactor. The last is the wiring of the communication part. If it is a conventional Modbus R2 communication, use terminal 25 and 26 for communication networking. If you need Profibus, Profinet, Modbus TCP, and other communication methods, you can choose additional communication modules. For example, this is a Modbus TCP communication module.